The Allahabad High Court has asked the central government and the Archaeological Survey of India to file their responses to a petition claiming that the Agreshwar Mahadev Nagnadeshwar Virajman Tejo Mahalaya temple exists within the Taj Mahal complex. The petition was filed by Harishankar Jain and 4 others. During the hearing, Jain argued that a survey of the disputed premises was necessary to establish the facts. He contended that his request to appoint an advocate commissioner for a survey and photography of the site had been rejected by both the trial court and the appellate court. Hearing the matter, Justice Rohit Ranjan Agarwal directed the centre and the ASI to file their counter affidavits. The court also issued notice to respondent Pankaj Kumar Verma. The petition challenges the orders of the Agra district courts, which had declined to order a survey of the monument. The civil suit, originally filed in 2015, seeks the declaration that the temple exists within the Taj Mahal premises. The High Court will now take up the matter after the centre and the ASI submit their responses.